All right, we're gonna hook this one up here in the living room. And I don't know what these speakers are. I can't ever remember. Icom BF36. So we're just gonna have this one up here for a minute because I cannot really be out in the shop while the kids are raising hell. Alright, I got this thing all hooked up in the back. I don't like these things, they drive me nuts. I need to resolder these wires. It's like, dude. I prefer to use banana plugs or quick release connectors. I certainly don't like these kind. Alright, so take this and feed it into the CD input. Oh, that's right, we still have to take this apart because there's an issue with the CD input. Sometimes one of the channels cuts out. So that's going to be on this board in here. We're going to have to pull that board. So that's going to be my next project. That should be fun. So we just got to get this thing plugged in. Ah, look at that thing. Isn't it cool? Man, that thing looks cool.